Are you experiencing hard drive not installed error message on your Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If you are encountering the error message hard drive not installed on your Windows computer, then this video is intended to help you. In this video, we will identify the possible causes as well as provide the most appropriate solutions you can try to help you remediate this issue. Let's get started. Method 1. Continuously press the F1 key. If your Dell computer shows the hard drive not installed error, you can press F1 to continue. It is a BIOS error message. Pressing F1 is a contingency procedure that can work around an error, and the computer may load into Windows correctly after pressing F1. Method 2. Check BIOS setting. BIOS handles the basic setup and boot process for the computer, preparing it to load for the operating system. Hard drives are usually connected to onboard a SATA or IDE port. If the port that the hard drive is connected is disabled, the hard drive will not be detected by the computer and you will get hard drive not installed error message. In this case, you need to check or reset the BIOS setup and also ensure that the hard drive is on top of the list in the boot priority. The process to reset BIOS varies from motherboard to motherboard, so go through the user manual or visit your motherboard's website to know the exact process. Method 3. Check hard drive cable. You may encounter this error if the computer isn't physically connected to the hard drive. You can check the hard drive cable to ensure whether it has a loose connection or the SATA and power cables may have worn out. If it does, you can reconnect the cables from both the hard drive and the MOBO or replace the cable with a new one. Method 4. Perform PC hard reset. Turn off the computer. Remove the computer from any port, replicator or docking station. Disconnect all external devices from your computer. Unplug the AC adapter from the computer. Remove the battery from the battery compartment as well. Press and hold the power button for approximately 15 seconds to discharge any residual electrical charge from the capacitors that protect the memory. Insert the battery and plug the AC adapter back into the computer. However, do not connect any peripheral devices such as USB storage devices, external displays, or printers. Turn on the computer. If a Start menu opens, select Start Windows normally with arrow keys and hit Enter. Read external hard drive not showing up or detected. Method 5. Test the hard drive for physical damage. Remove the hard drive from the computer and connect it to another computer to determine if it still functions properly. If it doesn't, you should replace the hard drive with a new one. If it does, you can test the hard drive to see if it has bad sectors. You can run chkdsk. To do so, open an elevated command prompt window, then type chkdsk/f/e:. Here E is the letter of the USB or external drive or any drive for that matter, where you would like to scan for errors and repair the errors if found. So make sure you replace it with the correct letter in your case. Carefully and hit Enter. The chkdsk operation will start on the drive and it will also repair any errors that may be found. For more details, you can follow this guide. Method 6. Change system date and time. At times, this problem may occur due to incorrect date and time settings on the clock. That is why you can use BIOS to set the correct date and time. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.